WR Academy. In this video we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see 4 multiply 2 bracket open, 10 multiply 2 bracket close, multiply with 2. So how to solve? First of all we solve the bracket and the value inside the bracket. So here write 4 multiply 2 is same, then 10 multiply 2 is 20. Okay, and now 2 is same. So now this 2 and this 2 in off condition. So first of all we simplify the 4 multiply off condition. 2 multiply 20 is 40, and this is also in off condition, so multiply with 2. So here 4 multiply 20 is 160, okay, and multiply is 2. So now 160 multiply 2 is 20, the 0, 26 the 12. Okay, and one remaining, 2 and 1 and 320 is final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.